Now that our draft is ready, it's time to share it with the team. We want to share early because getting feedback before you spend time polishing saves time doing a lot of rework. Even if you have been drafting with your team, this is a stage where you want to be getting additional perspectives to inform and polish your work. Sharing is how you ensure your diagrams actually meet the needs of your audience. To share, click the Share button here. Depending on who you're requesting feedback from, you can share directly with an individual, group, or channel by typing in a name or email and selecting Invite. Or you can turn on the shareable link, copy it, and then post it in Slack or email. Whichever option you choose, what matters most is setting the right permissions based on the type of feedback you need. Edit and share, edit, comment, or view. To get the most helpful and actionable feedback possible, we want to guide our reviewers by adding sticky notes from our Shapes panel directly onto the diagram with specific questions and a time frame. For example, @mentioned teammate, as a new hire, would this diagram help you to understand our process without overwhelming you with the details? Are we missing any major steps? Please add your thoughts by end of day Wednesday. To make it easy for your teammates to leave their feedback, go to Quick Tools here and add a sticky note bank onto the canvas. We use sticky notes because they are temporary. This feedback is not going to be something permanent on our diagram. And this unlimited sticky note pad allows reviewers to quickly add their thoughts without needing to spend time searching for a sticky note. And that's the share stage. By inviting collaboration early and often, you're doing so much more than just collecting feedback. You're ensuring accuracy, consistency, and clarity in your diagram. When everyone contributes to the same source of truth, the result is a reliable document your team can confidently reference to understand the current state and take meaningful action. Next, we'll move on to the refine stage to put the final touches on your diagram.